It's rockets after dark. Well, actually it's Sunday afternoon in the Australian Alps. It's going to be very cold tonight, and so I've got to get some resins so that they are ready for later on this evening. This is part of a rocket I'm making. This one's for myself. This is the Starship hopper. I'm actually putting on, that's the shot. You can see where I'm going. It's actually going to be about this high. Because what I'm doing is I've just filled in, this is the bit that's going to sit there. Just want to be careful because that's going to sit there. This is all going to go onto there. I'll just sit this over here at the moment. This is all modelled by me. I've got the files for this one. So this is that 2-part resin I was showing the other day. It's been in there for a couple of minutes. It's just fantastic stuff. It cures very quickly. It's got some nasty chemicals, so I'm not going to touch it. But you can see here I've got some of that jeweler's shot. That stuff. Yes, there are very expensive models, these. They're expensive to make, and I'm not cutting corners, and they will be expensive to buy. So I thought this would have cured a bit faster than that. What it does, it goes completely white. So I'd like to show you what my first attempt at using, not this resin, but another product, which was that's horrible Sally's glue, which is it's $10, and that's about $10 worth. It was never going to cure, so my wife pushed a hole into it to let it cure a bit more. And it's probably a bit safer, but it's the same stuff essentially. It's going to give the same white pattern here in a minute. But that's just, it's not a nice, it's not fun to do. So I won't do that again. I'd prefer to pay. So it's $30 for resins, and there's probably $5 worth of resin in there. It's going to cure very soon, I think. In fact, I think it has started to cure. No, you'll see it cure in a minute. But yeah, that's just horrible. But no one's going to see it. I'll still get away with that one. You can see how that one goes on top, and then yeah, and then that goes on top of that. I'm making quite a few because I've made a couple extras for myself, and yeah, I'm trying to get the best ones for a few customers at the moment, so they're not going to get that one. This is actually one for me. The customers ones are no, there's some more practice ones, but they're really good models. The customer ones are outside drying. It's taking forever to dry. The customers have been very patient. Righto, that's not going to cure anytime in the next 10 minutes, so I'll stop it now. Rockets after dark. Do it yourself, or hire me to make your rockets. Thanks.